A very good morning to class 12 students. I hope you are safe, secure. Now, today we will practice more questions regarding admission of partner. I'm writing question over here because I know that there are many of you who doesn't have books and all. So this question I'm taking from the NCERT is an important question of NCERT. Normally counts for 6 to 8 marks. So note down the question and practice more and more question like that. I'm writing the question over here. So you can note down the question and practice with me here only. Please note down the question. They say that given below the balance sheet of A and B as on March 31st March 2019, A and B share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. And the balance sheet portions given over here. Bill payable 10,000, creditors 58,000, outstanding expenses 2,000, and capital accounts of A and B is 1,80,000 and 1,50,000 respectively, and the total is 3,30,000. Total of balance sheet of liability side is 4 lakh, cash in hand 10,000, cash in bank 40,000, debtors 60,000, stock we have 40,000, plant 1 lakh, building we have 1,50,000. Now there are other adjustments are there, so please note down the adjustments. Particular part is clear. I need to rub the board to write the adjustments. There are around about 6 adjustments are there, or 6 informations is given in the question. So please note down the question and solve it with me. I hope you note it down. Okay, then we move to adjustment part. Now note down the question. C is admitted as a partner on 1st April 2019. C will bring rupees 1 lakh as his capital and rupees 60,000 as his share of goodwill. First thing is C जो है वो अपने साथ 1 lakh rupees capital लेके आएगा, and he also brings 60,000 as a share of goodwill in cash. Means we call it premium. This point is clear. Next term is plant is to be appreciated to rupees 1,20,000. Plant जो है वो बढ़ के is not appreciated by, it's mentioned here appreciated to, बढ़ के 1,20,000 हो गया है. Now check the old value of plant which mentioned question. Check the old value of plant first. तो plant old value is 1 lakh और बढ़ के कितना हो गया है 1,20,000. It means is a income for the firm, benefit for the firm. The value of plant is increasing and the value of building is to be appreciated by 10%. जैसे the value of building is to be बढ़ रहा है, is to be appreciated by 10%. Stock is found overvalued by 4,000. Stock जो है वो 4,000 रुपये overvalue हो गया. हमने इसको गलती से 4,000 increase कर दिया. Overvalue means by mistake we mentioned the stock increase by 4,000 को ठीक करने के क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें कम करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे expense for the firm. A provision for doubtful debt is to be created. A provision for doubtful debt is to be created at 5% of sundry debtors. Means out of total debtors 5% is not irrecoverable. हमें मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है, तो we need to create a doubtful debt. We need to create a provision. हमारी liability बढ़ रही है, इसमें expense for the firm increases. And creditors were unrecorded to the extent of rupees 1,000. Creditor 1,000 रुपये हमने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया, unrecorded to the extent of rupees 1,000 means creditor को हमें रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा. Again the liability of the firm is increasing. फर्म की liability बढ़ रही है. Okay, तो creditors were unrecorded to the extent of rupees 1,000. The liability of firm is increasing, is expense for the firm. Now करना क्या क्वेश्चन में, जैसे है पास journal entries and prepare revaluation account. Revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm, and balance sheet of the new firm, sheet of the new firm. आपको नई balance sheet create करनी है, but also you need to pass journal entry also. तो important part हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. Now we start with the journal entry first. Please note down the question again. pass journal entries and prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, balance sheet of the new firm. Now, how we solve it? The first thing is we need to find journal entry, make the proper format of journal entry. This question is from NCERT and this same type of question is given TS Grewal also. So in case if you are having TS Grewal, its question number in case is 65. I'm taking questions here in NCERT also, okay, and this same type of questions given the same type of question given TS Grewal. This is question number 65. Now make the proper format first. Journal entries in the books of A, B and C. We write here date, we write here particulars, we make column LF which called ledger folio, debit and credit, debit, credit, you mention date, you write particular. Now first thing is do the question as per the transactions. जो हमें क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से पूछा गया, do the question according to that. Now read the first term which mentioned the question. The first term says C is admitted as a partner on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. It means we are passing entry 1st April 2019. Now what C brings, how much C brings? C brings 1 lakh as a capital and 60,000 as share of goodwill. So we write total the firm is getting bank account debit to C's capital and to premium for goodwill. I hope this part is clear. To premium for goodwill account. Now C अपने साथ कितना कैश लाया? Because when C comes, जब C आया, उसके एक हाथ में क्या है? Capital, दूसरे हाथ में क्या है? Goodwill. Now you know that. तो what firm total gets? उसके एक हाथ में 1 लाख कैपिटल है, एक हाथ में 60,000 गुडविल है. तो टोटल फर्म इज गेटिंग 1,60,000. You are writing 1,60,000. 1 lakh as his capital and 60,000 as a share of goodwill. Being C brings his share of cash and goodwill in cash. Being C brings his share of capital and goodwill in cash. So we write bank account debit to C's capital to PM for goodwill account. You know that this PM for goodwill is distributed between this PM for goodwill. ये PM जो goodwill 60,000 है, इसमें किसका right है? Sacrificing partner का. Whose side is having? Sacrificing partner. Now, who is sacrificing partner? Isn't the question? It's a and B old ratio is given and the new partner is coming for 1/4 share, but nothing is mentioned here कि उसको 1/4 कहाँ से मिल रहा है. So I told you, it's a simple case. Whatever the old ratio is equal to sacrificing ratio. तो जो old ratio है वही sacrificing होगा. But next part, when we divide the goodwill, we write premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Now the goodwill is 60,000. You know that goodwill is given the question 60,000. Now divide this 60,000 among A and B, and the old ratio and the sacrificing ratio of A and B is, I told you before also, sacrificing is 2:1. So it's coming, divide 60 into 2:1 is 40,000 and 20,000. 40,000 and 20,000 being goodwill divided into sacrificing ratio, being goodwill divided into sacrificing ratio. So we write PM for goodwill account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. I hope this part is clear. Okay, now check what are the assets which are increasing. This much is clear. ये आपको clear हो गया. Now I need to rub this first. Now check what are the things which come under revaluation account. Entry, we are passing through revaluation account now. Now check the question first. They mention here plant is to be appreciated to 1,20,000 and building is to be appreciated by 10%. Okay, तो plant कितना बढ़ गया हमारा? Plant is appreciated by mention here plant is appreciated to 1,20,000. The old value of plant is 1 lakh. It's appreciated to 1,20,000. So plant is increasing by 20,000. We write plant account debit. Okay, in the same way, our building also increases. We write building account debit. We pass the combined entry, plant account debit, building account debit to revaluation account, because all the assets, these are the assets which are increasing. Whenever asset increases, is to be debited. जब भी हमारी asset बढ़ती है, it's debited. So check how much plant is increasing. The old value of plant is given the question. 1 lakh, it increased to 1,20,000. The plant is increasing by 20,000, and building is increased by, they mentioned that building is appreciated by 10%. The old value of building is 1,50,000. The building is increased by 15,000. 1,50,000 का 10% is 15,000. It means total asset increased by 25,000. Both the assets, plant and building. Being assets increases, being the value of asset increases. Same way, they mentioned that the value of stock. If we find overvalue, तो ये फर्म के लिए नुकसान है, तो we write revaluation account debit. First thing is stock. We find overvalued by 4,000. The stock को हमें कम करना पड़ेगा. How much? Stock to be decreased by 4,000. Okay. Stock need to be decreased by 4,000. Next is the provision for doubtful debt is created. To we write provision, हमारे नुकसान है because हमारा debtor कम हो रहा है. तो we write provision for doubtful debt. Now how much provision doubtful debt is to create it? They mentioned that provision for doubtful debt is to be created 5% on sundry debtors. So calculate debtors, it's coming 3,000, 5% debtors. Now 3,000 में मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है. And one more portion is given the question, took unrecorded creditors. To creditors which are unrecorded. Creditors, हमने creditors से जो हमने record नहीं किए. Check what is the amount of creditor which are unrecorded is mentioned in the question. The creditors were unrecorded to the extent of rupees 1,000. तो 1,000 creditor हमने note नहीं किए. It's a liability for the firm. So it means that total is 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. In right, we write revaluation account debit to 8,000. Now how we can find the profit? Revaluation credit side is 35,000. Revaluation debit side is 8,000. That means the firm getting a profit of rupees 27,000. This profit is to be divided between. Should I rub the entry? Okay, this revaluation profit is to be distributed among partners. So we write here, profit is here. We write revaluation account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. This revaluation profit, revaluation कितना हुआ? 35,000 is a increase in the value of credit side of revaluation account, and 8,000 is a decrease in the value of revaluation account. So if we subtract 35 minus 8, it's coming 27,000. Divide this 27,000 to 2:1 in their old ratio. It's coming, if you divide 27,000 in the old ratio, it's coming 18,000 and 9,000. We write 18,000 and 9,000 being profit of revaluation transferred to partners capital account. Being profit on revaluation transferred to partners capital account. Please note down. Okay. Next we prepare revaluation account now. Next part is we need to prepare revaluation account. So should I rub this? Okay, now make the format of revaluation account and partners capital account all together. I told you before also we need to prepare all three accounts together. So as per the information we can note down. So in one page prepare the format of revaluation account and partners capital account. In next page prepare the format of balance sheet. हम जब क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो हम क्वेश्चन को अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रांजिशन हमें पढ़ना है और ट्रांजिशन के हिसाब से हमें कॉलम को फिल करना है. It saves our time. But here we have a so limitation of space. So I'm preparing revaluation account over here. Revaluation account, and here I'm preparing so that we can take partners capital account here. Partners capital account. So revaluation account, first thing Okay. Debit and credit side. Prepare the format first. Particular amount. Take the formation of debit side, credit side, and how many partners we have? We have 3 partners. We write particulars A, B, and C. Here write particulars A, B, and C. We have to prepare the entry first. We already done the entry. हमने entry कर चुके हैं. We write particulars. I hope you all able to see it. It's A, B, and C. Here we write particulars A, B, and C. Now check. I hope you all able to see it. Here we write particular amount in rupees. Particular amount in rupees. The first sanction say that is mentioned here. Plant will be appreciated by 2 rupees, 1,20,000. We already done the general entry. So we write by plant. कौन सी हमारी asset बढ़ रही है? Plant is increased by rupees 20,000. And building is appreciated by building is appreciated by 15,000. हमने कर चुके हैं. हमारी building appreciate हो रही है by 10%, which is 1,50,000 का 10% is 15,000, and the plant is increased to rupees 1,20,000. It means the plant is increased by rupees 20,000. Same way, the stock हमें कम करना पड़ेगा by rupees 4,000 because we find overvalued. The stock is decreased by 4,000. Similarly, we need to get provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debt. Revaluation means all expenses are debited, all incomes are credited. जब भी हमारी asset बढ़ती है, it's income for us, it's credited. जब भी हमारी liability increase होती है या asset कम होती है, it's to be debited. हम पहले कर चुके हैं इसको. Okay, one more term is here. Provision doubtful debt is created 5% debtors, which is 3,000. We write to provision for doubtful debt 3,000. Next is mention here. One more, the creditors were unrecorded. We write 2 creditors which were unrecorded. When the creditors were unrecorded, we need to record it. It increase the liability. हमारी liability बढ़ती है. So we write 2 creditors 1,000. Now total of credit side is 35,000. The credit side is more 35,000. Now we need to divide the profit. The profit is coming 27,000. It to be divided between A's capital account and to B's capital account. हमने किया था A's capital is getting 18,000 and B is getting 9,000. I hope this portion is clear. How we solve it? 18,000 and 9,000. A is coming 18,000 and B is coming 19,000. Now prepare the partner's capital account first. The first thing, this is the opening balances. We write by balance brought down. Now check in the question, in the old balance sheet, what is the capital account of A and B is given the question. The partner's capital account rule is simple. Whenever capital increases, it will be credited. Whenever capital decreases, it will be debited. जब भी partners की capital बढ़ती है, it should be credited. जब भी partner की capital कम होती है, it need to be debited. Now check, what is the opening balance? What is the question given? The question opening balances. A capital is given 1,80,000. We write 1,80,000 here. B is given 1,50,000. I hope this question is clear. So A is coming 1,80,000, B is coming 1,50,000. Now by cash, how much C brings as a capital? We write by cash account. C is bringing, check the ocean, how much C brings as a capital. So C being 1 lakh as his capital. And the goodwill is to be divided between partners by premium. For goodwill account, we write by premium for goodwill account. We write by premium for goodwill account. That premium is to be distributed in A and B. हमने divide किया था. Goodwill is bringing 60,000. That to be divided between A and B. So A will get 40,000 in their sacrifice ratio, which is equal to old ratio because it's a simple method. So premium for goodwill, A is getting 40,000. It means A capital increased by 40,000, B capital is increased by 20,000. One more thing is here, revaluation of profit. ये revaluation profit हुआ. The distributing partner, we write by revaluation account. If the loss is here, we write here to revaluation loss. But is here profit is here. Profit is 18,000 and 9,000. Now check, is there any other information here? No, there are no other information here. It's a simple question. The total of 180 plus 40 is 220 is coming 2,38,000. We check 2,38, 1, 2, 3. And these came 179,000. 1,79,000. C is coming 1 lakh. Okay, here the same capital we write 2,38,000 because nothing is there on debit side. 1,79,000 and it's coming 1 lakh. Here we write to balance CD the closing capital, or we call it adjusted capital. Capital which take place after all adjustments is coming 2,38,000 is 1,79,000 as 1 lakh. All this part is clear. Only we need to maintain our balance sheet. Please note down. So we write by balance wrote down by cash, by PM for goodwill, by revaluation account. Here we write two closing balances which you mentioned in the question. Now next part is balance sheet. So should I rub this? Okay. Now next part is we need to maintain the balance sheet. The balance sheet easy now. This is a simple question which is mentioned in NCERT. Gradually we move to difficult questions. Once we solve the simple questions, then we move to difficult one on which lot of tricky adjustments are there. So first we need to clear the balance sheet first. Balance sheet. Now as a new firm balance sheet, so इसके balance sheet as on 31st March. Balance sheet 2019. Right here. Okay. Mention here liabilities amount, assets amount. We write liabilities amount, assets amount in rupees. Okay, the first thing when we make the balance sheet, write down what is the liability side. Under liability side, what are triangle which given the question. The first one is capital. Write the capital first. Capital A, B and C. Now check here where we make the partner's capital. What is the A's capital is coming? 2,38,000. A's capital is 2,38,000. This part is clear. A is 2,38,000. B is 1,79,000. Okay. So B is 1,79,000 and C is coming 1 lakh. I hope this part is clear. B, if not clear, is 1,79,000. 1,79,000. C is 1 lakh. Now check whether any adjustment is bill payable. Is there any change in bill payable? Is there any information regarding bill payable is given? No, there are no information. The bill payable will remain as 10,000 to 10,000 only. Same way, is there any change is given in the creditors? Now creditor to the extent of 1,000 were unrecorded. They mentioned that. The creditors is mentioned in the question 58,000. Creditors कितने given है? 58,000. 1,000 were unrecorded. So we need to record this 1,000 also. So we write here creditors is 59,000 because creditors 1,000 के record नहीं हुए थे. We need to record it. So we write it creditors is 59,000. Outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses also given the question. Now they say the outstanding expenses is of rupees 2,000. There are no change in outstanding expenses. So we write 2,000. Here we mention the balance, total of this balance sheet. Now come to asset side. Check what is the cash in hand given the question. Cash in hand. Now one more part, check. Cash in hand is given 10,000. Okay, they say cash in hand is given 10,000 and C will bring 1 lakh as his capital. Cash in hand पे 10,000 है. C अपने साथ कितना कैश लेके आया था? C brings 1 lakh as a capital and 60,000 share of goodwill. So means we need to add 1,60,000 because ये भी cash में आया firm के पास. The firm cash is now 1,70,000. Now why 1,70,000? Because C brings 1 lakh as his share of capital and 60,000 as his share of goodwill. That means the total amount he brings in the business is 1,60,000. I hope this part is clear. Then cash at bank is given the question. Now check what is the cash in bank is 40,000. Okay, next part is debtors. Sundry debtors. They say sundry debtors is, now what is the amount of sundry debtors given the question? Sundry debtors is 60,000. Okay, out of which sundry debtors is 60,000. We create a doubtful debt. हमने doubtful debt कितना बनाया? Less doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debt. हमने provision कितना create किया? 3,000. तो हमें debtor में से 3,000 मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है. तो we write here 57,000 as your debtors. So we will write sundry debtors 60,000 less doubtful debt 3,000, which is mentioned 57,000. Next is stock. What's the stock value? Is there any change in the stock? Check it. We find stock is find overvalued by 4,000. So stock, the value of stock is given the 1 lakh. The value of stock is given. Sorry, the value of stock is given 40,000. So 40,000 minus 4,000 we have to write because stock is fine overvalued. Stock बढ़ गया था 4,000 से हमें कम करना पड़ेगा. तो we write 36,000 as a stock. Now check what is the other part is given the question. Apart from stock, their plant is given. Plant. Now what is the old value of plant? The old value of plant is 1 lakh, but the plant is appreciated to 1,20,000. Means plant is 1 lakh. ये 20,000 बढ़ गया था, तो we have to write plant 1,20,000. I hope this part is clear. So plant 1 lakh plus 20,000. We have to write plant 1,20,000. Building value is 1,50,000. Building कितना गिवन है? 1,50,000. And building is appreciated by 10%, which is 15,000. The building value is 1,65,000. Now you will do the asset side. I will do the liability side of total. If the total is matching, if total matches, this means we have done the correct way. You do the asset one. I will do the liability side. So my total is coming. If we add all this thing, 238 plus 179 plus 1 lakh plus 10,000 plus 58,000 plus 2,000, it's coming 5,88,000. Mine is coming 5 lakh. Liability side 5,88,123 5,88,000. 5 lakh. Now asset side 210, 267, 73. 3. Okay, it's coming 5,88,000. Now check again. Note down term. The first thing is mentioned here, capital account. Capital कितनी है A की 238. B is coming 1,70,000. C is 1 lakh. Bill payable is mentioned here 10,000. Creditors, the old value of creditors 58,000. It increased by 1,000 because the creditors of 1,000 rupees is here, which are unrecorded. So creditors will be increased by rupees 1,000. So we have to write creditor 59,000. Outstanding expenses 2,000 here. Okay, outstanding expense 2,000. Cash in hand 10,000 with the cash in hand, which is given the balance sheet. Now new partner brings 1 lakh as his capital and 60,000 as a share of goodwill in cash. There is coming with 1,60,000. फर्म के पास कैश कितना हो गया 160 plus 10,000 it's 1,70,000. Similarly the cash in bank we have 40,000 which is given the question. Debtors is 60,000 less doubtful debt because 3,000 अब हमें मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है तो we have to write 57,000 as a new debtors. Now stock is coming 40 is given 40,000. Now out of which the provision is here. The stock 40,000 minus 4,000 because the 4,000 stock is to be overvalued. वो ज़्यादा निकाल दिया था हमने तो हमें कम करना पड़ेगा. तो stock is 36,000. Plant is given question 1 lakh. Plant is increased by 20,000. So we are right plant 120. Building is 1,50,000. Okay, the building is appreciated by 10% which is 15,000. So now new value of building is 1,65,000. I hope the question is clear to all of you. Next way how we solve the bigger questions. This is the way how we solve the question. To need to be prepared, first thing is whenever you solve this question, please read the question carefully. क्या क्वेश्चन में पूछ चुका है कि नीड टू पास जर्नल एंट्रीज, क्या क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछ चुका है नीड टू प्रिपेयर रिवॉल्यूशन पार्टनर्स के बैलेंस शीट. नॉर्मली द क्वेश्चन कैन कम्स लाइक नीड टू पास जर्नल एंट्रीज आल्सो एंड प्रिपेयर बैलेंस शीट of the new firm, or simply say pass journal entries and prepare partners capital account and balance sheet, or simple way they say that prepare revaluation account, partners capital and balance sheet. This how we solve it. The first is whenever you solve this type of question, prepare the format of revaluation account, partners capital account on one page and balance sheet on the next page. Okay, and then do the transaction as per the question requirement. उससे हमें क्वेश्चन easy पड़ेगा. We can solve the question much easily. I hope this part is clear. You note down the question. We will practice more and more questions as per the requirement which is mentioned in the question. Next question we will take. Just wait. Guys, this is my next video. We will practice more and more questions. We will take more complex problems, the problems which have the more tricky transactions. So guys, please take care, work hard, stay tuned. Bye.